All right, well, now we're on the blending part. So I got my simmered stuff right there. I got the strainer and I got my blender. So we are going to blend. I got full. To blend it, the strainer's not all the way full, so I just thought it's probably not going to be perfect because I'm white, but so now we're going to pour it in the strainer. And you're supposed to take the strainer, really thick stuff, you're supposed to push it through. It's coming through. Not to make it overflow. Looks like it's coming through pretty good. I just don't know if I have the right amount of ingredients and everything, but practice makes perfect. It's not easy. It's definitely a good little workout, but hopefully when I put the chicken in with the seasonings and the chicken, it all comes together. Because I really like the sauce, but the chicken simmers in there too. Then you gotta put more cream, more butter. I still got a lot more to go. Woo! Supposed to just smash it down and then kind of just give it a little swirly swirl like that. That's looking like it's working efficiently. There we go. Smash it in there. He said it's got to be velvety smooth. I might have to clean it after I push this stuff through. Don't want to make a hole in this thing either. Pretty good. When you take that stuff, I guess you discard it. There we go. Take some paper towel here. Crap off there. Alright. It's looking pretty velvety there. I'm gonna show y'all, and I'll just continue doing this process and show you the finished product afterwards, because we're pretty much done. It's pretty good, y'all. I'll keep going at it here. I got this bowl left. Butter chicken!